I can't believe you'd do such a thing.
You better watch who you're talking to like that. Haven't you forgot that I'm queen here, which means I get to make the decisions and rules here, not you?
All I'm saying is that I hate that you changed the meals for tonight's dinner. Again.
Well, you better start getting used to it. After all, you need to eat healthy more often. You're already looking chubby.
Your dinner is served, Your Majesty.
What is this?
The food you requested, Mom.
I just didn't think it would be this small.
Good thing I ordered from DoorDash, 'cause there is no way this is gonna make me full, not even for a bit.
What? With what money?
It's best if I don't answer that. Bye-bye.
Well, I suppose I could eat her plate as well, since one isn't gonna do the trick.
Magazine just rated Nabisco shredded wheat ahead of all the leading oat bran cereals in nutritional value.
You had enough for today. Are you really that hungry? Zip it, or no food. Whoa! Pizza? This must be Sasha food that she ordered from DoorDash. Well, looks like it's just you and me.
You weren't gonna eat my pizza, right?
What? No, of course not.
Good, because I ate it all anyways. Night, Mom.
Oh boy. What's taking breakfast so long? I'm starving.
Your breakfast is now ready, Your Majesty.
Okay, I'm changing the meal plan again.